Hi, I'm Alberta Comer, Dean of the Libraries here at the University of Utah. And usually during finals week, I'm at the door of the Marriott Library greeting all of you as you come in and saying good wishes from the library on your finals. But this year we can't be together, so I thought I will send you wishes and a donut virtually. So let's start today by washing our hands for 20 seconds, of course. 20 seconds, dry on a clean towel, and let's get started with making some virtual magic donuts. So we're going to start with a cup of studying, a cup of group projects, put on Zoom of course, review, but make sure you get enough sleep. And we're going to sprinkle that with lots of good wishes. Stir that up. Cook. And what do we have? Wishing you all the very best on your finals from the Marriott, Eccles, Faust Libraries. All you need.